Hi guys, welcome to new video. Today's video is going to be very beneficial for those people who want to learn self-defense techniques. In this video, we will teach you how to defend yourself against two persons. And in this video, we will teach you what technique you should use to free yourself from both of these guys. So let's start the video. If the both grabs you like this, as you can see in the video, then what should you do here? First of all, you have to feel like you are scared of both of them. Then step number 1, you will grab his wrist with your right hand. Then you have to bring your left arm over both of his arm and take it out from between them and grab your arm like this, as you can see in the video. Now take step back with your right leg and keep your right leg in this position. Now you can see the both of person fully off under your control. Now you will twist your body and the back one person is falling down and the first is under of your control. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the other side. Guys, now we'll show you this technique fast. So guys, if you want to learn more interesting techniques, then subscribe our channel, like our video and share our video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon.